Good evening children. In our today's video, I am going to do revision for lesson 1. Okay. See lesson number 1. Mr. Toad goes for a ride. Children, in this lesson we don't have any meanings. So straight away I am going to the book exercise, then question answers. I want everybody to take your notebook or take your textbook and follow along with me. Okay, if you in your English reader, if you turn to page number 8, see there you have book exercise. First write true or false for this sentence. Children, I hope you all remember this story. If you understood or if you know the story, or you can read the story also once now, because you would have forgotten. If you read the story once, you will come to know, so you can answer all the questions. Okay, you can write your own answers also for question answers. Okay, first let us revise. Write true or false for this sentence. Okay, write true or false. The first one is, Toad invited Rat and Mole for a boating trip. Okay, is it true or false? Yes, it's false, because Toad invited them for a what? Toad invited them to show the new yellow carriage, and he wanted to take a ride in his new yellow carriage. Yes, so it is false here. So second one, Toad showed his friends a bright yellow carriage. Yes, it's true. Third one, Rat was excited. Okay, Rat was excited about the carriage ride. No, so you write false. Fourth one, the car was Toad's new interest. Yes, so write true. The last one, Rat wanted to complain against the car driver. Yes, so you can write true. Okay children, have a glance in this. Next one, coming to the question and answers. See there you have 4 question answers, all simple question answers. Again I am repeating, you can write your own answers related to this story. Why was Toad excited to see Rat and Mole? Okay, Toad was excited to see Rat and Mole because he wanted to show his new yellow carriage. Next one, what did Toad invite Rat and Mole for? Toad invited Rat and Mole for a ride in his yellow carriage. Children, see. Okay, see the third question. What did the passers-by say when they saw the carriage? What did they say? Recall the story. Yes, when they saw the carriage, they were very happy and they said, it's very beautiful, magnificent, isn't it? Okay, they praised them. Yes, you can write all this. The next one, fourth one. What happened as they rode the carriage? Yes, we all know what happened. When they all very happily, when they were going in the carriage, what happened? Suddenly, what happened? Suddenly a car went or passed, sped by them. Okay, means a car passed through them very speedily. Okay. Yes. So what happened? They all fell into the ditch by the roadside. Yes. Now coming to the fifth question. Okay, see the fifth question. How did Toad feel when he saw the car? How did Toad feel? Yes. Toad was very happy. He fell love with that new car. What was Rat's reaction to Toad? Yes, Rat got upset, isn't it? He was angry with Toad. Next, come to the book exercise. See here, play with the words. These are opposite words. Okay, Toad was standing. So opposite of standing is sitting. Yes, the car passed by them very slowly. So opposite of slowly is fast. Learn to ride a bicycle is difficult. Learning to ride a bicycle is difficult. Okay, so opposite of difficult is easy. Granny enjoys cold soup. So opposite of cold is hot. This pillow is very hard. So opposite of hard is soft. Sarah does not like to reach school early. So opposite of early is late. The aeroplane was flying below the clouds. Opposite of below is above. Yes, I'll repeat once more. Standing, opposite is sitting. Slowly, fast. Difficult, easy. Cold, hot. Hard, soft. Early, late. Below, above. Children, I hope you all have revised this, isn't it? You would have learned for the first midterm test. Okay, again and again recall and revise this. Now coming to the next. Okay, next, I think this and all is very easy. Okay, rearrange these words. Okay, you can learn this. Rearrange this group of words to form sentence. Okay, you have to learn this. Led to the Toad friend's stable yard is. You have to write in the correct sentence. Toad led his friends to his stable yard. With was Rat annoyed Toad. Okay, Rat was annoyed with Toad. Okay, this all you refer your note and read this. Now coming to the poem. The Silent Snake. Poem 1. The Silent Snake. Okay, here you have 4 meanings. Okay, you have how many meanings? 4 meanings. See there. Mayflies. Mayflies. Winged insects that live close to water. Okay, winged insects that live close to water. Dip. Here, go down. Dumb. Silent. Dumb means silent. Grass. Grass is deep. Tall and thick grass. Okay, learn. Meanings are very, very important. Children, again and again, learn all the meanings given. Okay, given in the note and in the book also. Now come to the tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. See here. The squirrels race along the bow. The bird sings and the insects what? Chat. Yes. The dash say croak. The frog say croak. Okay, next match. See here children. Match the letters. Okay, match. Match the columns to join with the words. Write the new words in the blanks. Mayflies. Lady, ladybird. Rattle, rattlesnake. Sea horse. Grass, grasshopper. Okay, I am just reading for you all this. See here, fill in the blanks with the correct interjections from the bracket. Already you would have learned this and all for test. Wow or alas. Dash, this painting is so beautiful. Wow, this painting is so beautiful. Hello, can I speak to Annie? Shh, speak softly or the baby will wake up. Hey, we are going camping tomorrow. Bravo, you solved the puzzle. Yes, very good children. Next, coming to the lesson. Lesson 2, a light for the palace fire. Okay, in this don't think all the question answers are very, very big. Okay, don't think all the question answers are very big. First learn all the meanings from this lesson and coming to the comprehension, that is read the sentence and answer the questions. Okay, this is very important. Last time I asked you. Okay, now see there. Go down the hill road. If you see fire burning in a house, go inside and ask for some embers to bring back to the palace. Children, many of you have not attended this question in the previous test. This is very simple. You can score good marks in this. Okay, when you read, it is very easy. Go down the hill road. Who said this? Yes, who said this? The king said. Okay, the king said. To whom he said? To the messenger. The king said to the messenger. What made the speaker say these words? Yes, because the palace fire had died out and it was very cold. Okay, what did the listener do next? Okay, means the listener here is the messenger. What did he do? He took his lantern and he went out to collect embers. He was shouting as he was passing, some light for the palace fire. Yes, so read this, it's very important. Then coming to the question answers, children understand this story, so you can write all the answers. If you have any big answers, you can write from the story related lines and the paragraph. Okay, see here, where was the palace? How was it kept warm? Okay, yes, where was the palace? Again and again see the videos. Okay, because in videos I have explained you this lesson with the slides or with the pictures. So when you see the pictures and listen to the story, it will be very useful to you. You will remember it very easily. Where was the palace? Yes, the palace was on the top of a hill. How was it kept warm? Yes, always a fire was burning. A fire was burning. What reason did the people give for the fire dying out? Okay, yes, we know the few people, some people said the people in the palace were quarreling, that is they were fighting. And even some people said that year the winter was very cold. The winter was very cold. Okay, children, so read all the question answers, don't ignore anything. What did the little girl say when the messenger knocked on her door? Yes, okay, the little girl welcomed him. Okay, she said, come first, come and warm yourself and have some porridge. Okay, have some porridge. Yes, what did the messenger think that the coal would not burn? Don't think, oh, this answer is very big. Okay, you can write from the story. Yes, the messenger thought like that because already twice this had happened. Because when he took embers and as he walked, it all changed into what? Grey ash. So only he was thinking like that. Okay, now see the book exercise. Circle the odd word in each set. Means you have to circle which is not related to this. See, cold, freezing, chilled, hot. Cold means freezing, chilled. These three have same meaning, but hot is the opposite of this. Kind, friendly, mean, helpful. So mean means very not having a character of not helping others. Very greedy. See, third one, hide, search, hunt, seek. Seek, hunt and search all have the same meaning. Hide means opposite of that. Blaze, flame, gloom and glow. Gloom, somewhat moody. Okay, come to the next lesson you have. Okay, next, if you turn your book to page number 18. Okay, turn your book to page number 18. See there, match the words that go together. Match the words that go together. Okay, bitter. Yes, bitter, cold, burning, fire. Just you can match it. Little girl, dark night, twinkling stars. Children, I'll repeat once more. Okay, bitter, cold, burning fire, little girl, dark night, twinkling stars. Then dictionary I have taught you. Even today I have told you how to write in alphabetic order. Okay, how to write in alphabetic order. Very important is learn the grammar part. That is what are nouns, what are common nouns, and what are proper nouns. Okay, you see in your refer your classwork and find out and read all that one. Okay, now coming to the next lesson. Next poem, A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U. In this you don't have any question answers, only okay, only few meanings. See here in this, creatures, here imaginary beings. Okay, creatures means here imaginary beings. Features, here looks. Pursue means follow or chase. Then come to tick the correct answers you have. Then you have rhyming words. Then very important plurals, and okay, you should write plurals for this. Nouns, watch, watches. Children, already I have said you, okay, the word which are ending with ch, okay, x, ch, words ending with s, ss, ch, sh or x, we add es. Remember this very important one. Okay, remember this 5, as we have 5 vowels. The same thing here, s, ss, ch and sh or x. When the words end with these words, you have to write es. Okay, you have to write es. Then coming to the next lesson, down, down, down. Okay, down, down, down. Children, in this read all the odd words, and very important, read all the meanings. Here, pop down. Pop down here means quickly jump into. Pop down means here quickly jump into. See the next meaning. Think nothing. Okay, think nothing means what? Here, never be afraid of. Never be afraid of. So coming here, see here, daring off. What? Daring off. Falling, sorry, not daring, it's dozing off. Dozing off means falling asleep. Falling asleep. Passage means corridor or tunnel. Ran like the wind. Ran like the wind means ran very fast. Oh, my ears and whiskers means a way of showing surprise. Okay, very important. Read all the meanings. Then read all the book exercise, and you have question answers. Okay, all simple question answers. Why did Alice not like the book that her sister was reading? Because the book did not have any conversation or pictures in it. Why did Alice decide to chase the rabbit? Alice decided to chase the rabbit because the rabbit was wearing what? A waistcoat and a wristwatch. Okay, so read all the question answers. Here also see here some match. Here I have some common phrases. Okay, you have to match the common phrases. This and all very common. Bread and butter. We all know bread and butter. Salt and pepper. Needle and thread. Cup and saucer. Hammer and nail. Okay, children, read all this. In my next video, I will revise you, or in the Zoom class, I will revise you the next few exercises. Okay, till then, try to learn and write. Take your rough note and write and check whether you have written correctly. Use correct spellings also. Till then, take care. Bye. See you.